It's called the photic sneeze reflex. When your optic nerve sends a massive signal to your brain about bright light, it accidentally leaks into your trigeminal nerve, the one that triggers a sneeze. Your brain literally thinks your nose is itchy because your eyes saw a light. It's a sensory crosstalk glitch. And that's exactly why the sun didn't give you a cold. It just short-circuited your face. Ever walk out into a bright day and suddenly, achoo! You aren't allergic to the sun. Your brain just has its wires crossed.